Well, we're back at the mobile home again. We really want to get this last bedroom done, and then all the walls in the house will be finished. So we ran to the store and we managed to pick up enough panels to finish. Guys, we are running out of money on this project, but we're trying to push through and get done whatever we can. So today, all we have to do is wrap up the closet and this one wall, and I think we can get that done before it gets too hot out. So I'm going to start taking measurements. We're just going to get right through it, and if we have time, we're going to try to do a special project here at the end, I believe. So let's try to hurry through this. And I think I'll start with the closet. Good?
Yeah.
I don't know where to go. One panel for this side. One for this side. Good?
Yeah.
I'll get those nailed in, and then we'll start on the last wall. I hope this works. While this wall looks easy, this one actually has some issues because I believe the studs are all kind of skewed. They're tilted. And so I had to cut the side at an angle because I want my panels landing straight on the studs. So if the studs aren't straight, my panel has to be crooked too. That's going to create a staircasing. So the problem we're having is, even though we got a nice fit in the corner, and a nice fit on this stud, the panel is hitting the floor because it's angling down a little bit. So I think I'm going to take it back outside, trim it up a little more just so it's not touching the floor, give it a little more room, and then it should be okay. Okay, let's see if this fits better. This looks like it might be a little wider than 3/4 here.
That's okay.
Well, I just want to make sure it's centered on that stud. Well, it might not seem that exciting. I just want to focus on this moment right now because I believe, unless I'm forgetting something, this is the last piece of wall paneling that needs to go up in this home.
Yeah.
After this, we are done with wall paneling. We don't have to bring any more wall panels home. And every room is closed in.
Yep.
So this is a huge, huge moment, I think. Done.
But
All right, well, we're technically out of time, but we're gonna squeeze one more project in, the special project, the front door. So this is our Texas Star front door. Looks pretty cool, but it looks unfinished. It has that white surface, and this doesn't even match the trim around the glass. It just looks a little bit dull. So we're gonna paint it, we're gonna make it beautiful. So I think Evie is gonna try to brush paint the door.
yeah, this door is textured, so the brush strokes will be obscured.
Oh. I was a little bit nervous coming into this color, but I like it. I think it looks good on the door.
Me too.
We're gonna see how it dries. I don't know if it needs a second coat because it
Might
came out
not.
pretty good.
don't think it will.
So we'll see, but.
Matches your shirt.
And you did a good job because I thought it was going to be brush strokes everywhere and it looks clean.
Mm-hmm.
So awesome. And now the inspiration for this color, we weren't sure exactly what to do. We wanted something different for the front door just to make it stand out, a little fun accent color for this room. While we were shopping over at the Hobby Lobby, we were just browsing, seeing what's in the clearance aisles. And I saw something that caught my eye because you guys know that I like woven wall hangings, we'll call them. And check this one out. This thing is actually pretty huge, and I didn't have anywhere to put it at home, so I thought maybe we'll get it for the mobile home. So check it out. It's just a woven wall tapestry, wall hanging, and what we did was we took inspiration from this, some of the colors in here. It's not going to be like a dead-on match, but it's the same color family, and it helps go together. There it is. It's going to look better once we get the tape off the door, off the glass. But you can see where I drew that inspiration from. I thought it'd be fun to match that. And guys, we got this for such a good deal. This huge piece was only $4.
Yeah, wasn't it originally $39.99?
Yeah.
And it was
90% off.
Yeah.
Well, actually, it might have been even higher than that. It didn't have a price tag, so they said, we'll mark it $39.99, 90% off.
Yep.
Awesome deal. Looks so good. That might not be everybody's style, but I think it's going to fit the mobile home pretty good, and it's just something that I enjoy. I love also knowing that somebody made that with their hands, you know, that they actually put effort into it, even
Yeah.
if it's not too special, you know.
It's not like a mass-produced print.
Yeah.
It's more interesting texture.
So that's that. And we also went around the bedroom here and caulked all the corners, all the sunken nails, filled in any nail holes that weren't good, and sealed along the ceiling. You can see, so now our corners all look good, and we are ready for paint as soon as that caulk dries. So we're gonna head home, let this dry. We'll be back another day to finish up any little odds and ends and get this room painted. I think that's the next step. Paint the walls. That's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.